Hey everyone, today I'll show you step by step how to make nanoparticles using the sol gel method. Let's start the synthesis process. First, the precursor solutions were added to ethanol and placed on a magnetic stirrer for thorough mixing. The temperature and pH were carefully maintained to keep the reaction on track. Once the pH was adjusted, a noticeable color change appeared, always a satisfying sign that chemistry is happening. Later on, gelating agent was added and the mixture was stirred for a few hours, allowing the solvent to evaporate gradually and form a gel. And there it is, the gel starts to appear. The time for gel formation was approximately 1 to 2 hours. The magnetic bar was then removed using a magnet and the gel was transferred carefully into a china dish by using a spatula. In the same way, scrape out all the gel completely. And here we have our gel ready. Next came the washing step. The gel was transferred into Eppendorf tubes, washed with water and ethanol, and then centrifuged at constant RPM. After centrifugation, an impurity-free gel was obtained. It was then dried in oven to remove any solvent residue. Once dried, the sample was grinded into a fine powder using mortar and pestle. Here is the sample before calcination. After calcination in furnace, the material developed into its final form and the difference is clearly visible. A final grinding step ensured a uniform powder. Finally, the sample was transferred into Eppendorf tubes and prepared for characterization. And just like that, our material is ready for analysis.